Unveiling the Hot Air. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular English idiom that you might have heard or read somewhere. Be full of hot air. Understanding idiomatic expressions like this one is crucial for mastering the English language, as they enrich your conversations and make you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be full of hot air, and how you can use this phrase in your daily English communication. Firstly, let's dissect the phrase, be full of hot air. At first glance, this expression might conjure images of balloons or hot air balloons floating in the sky. However, in the realm of English idioms, this phrase has nothing to do with literal air or balloons. When someone is described as full of hot air, it means they are talking a lot but not saying anything valuable or true. It's often used to describe someone who makes promises that they can't keep or who speaks confidently about subjects they know little about. Interestingly, the origin of the phrase, be full of hot air, is not precisely documented, but it's widely believed to stem from the late 19th or early 20th century, a time when hot air balloons were becoming a popular form of entertainment. The phrase likely draws a parallel between the inflated balloons filled with nothing substantial, just air, and a person's speech which is full of words but lacks substance or truth. In terms of usage, this idiom is often employed in informal contexts. You might use it when describing a person who often exaggerates or doesn't fulfill their promises. For example, if someone constantly boasts about their abilities without ever demonstrating them, you might say they are full of hot air. To help you better understand how to use be full of hot air in everyday English, let's look at a few examples. 1. Don't mind him. He's just full of hot air and rarely does what he says he'll do. 2. She claimed she could run the marathon without training, but I think she's full of hot air. 3. The politician's speech was just full of hot air, with no concrete plans for improvement. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations about someone's behavior to critical discussions about public figures or acquaintances. We hope this video has illuminated the idiom, be full of hot air, for you. Idiomatic expressions like this one add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to express complex ideas in a few words. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is not just to understand their meanings but also to practice using them in context. So, don't be afraid to incorporate be full of hot air into your English conversations when the situation fits. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.